The Fujifilm X-Pro4 marks a significant step forward in the X-Pro lineup, featuring a brand new 40MP X-Trans CMOS 5-hour sensor. With a back-illuminated design, this sensor excels in delivering fine detail, wide dynamic range, and strong low-light capabilities, ensuring high-quality images across a variety of conditions. Coupled with the latest X Processor 5, users can expect faster performance, smarter autofocus, and reduced rolling shutter, making both photography and videography more fluid and responsive. A key update is the improved rear display. The new tilting screen maintains the signature rangefinder style while providing better resolution and more flexibility for shooting at unconventional angles, ideal for street and documentary photography. The user interface has also been refined, offering quicker touch sensitivity and a cleaner menu system, improving usability in bright environments or on the go. Staying true to its hybrid roots, the X-Pro4 enhances the classic viewfinder system. It combines a high-quality optical viewfinder with a sharper, faster electronic viewfinder, giving photographers the choice between a traditional or modern shooting experience, both of which have been upgraded for clarity and accuracy in a range of lighting conditions. One of the biggest firsts for the X-Pro series is the addition of in-body image stabilization (IBIS). This system offers up to 6 stops of stabilization, dramatically improving handheld shooting, especially in dim settings or with manual lenses. Videographers will also benefit from smoother footage without needing extra gear. The autofocus has been significantly improved, drawing on deep learning technology and the power of the X Processor 5. It now includes advanced subject recognition, better face and eye tracking, and more reliable focus performance in tough lighting. Customizable focus areas and wide tracking options give photographers more precision and flexibility in how they capture their subjects. Built with durability in mind, the X-Pro4 features robust construction and weather sealing, designed to withstand demanding environments. The camera maintains a minimalist, intuitive layout with traditional dials and controls, making it easy to use while minimizing distractions. Although it includes many modern enhancements, the X-Pro4 stays true to the spirit of the X-Pro series. With its tactile design and vintage aesthetic, it strikes a balance between analog charm and digital innovation, appealing to shooters who value both craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. Pricing is expected to land around $1,999, positioning this camera as a premium option aimed at serious photographers and professionals. It offers solid value through its mix of performance, design, and user experience. An official launch announcement is rumored for late Q3 or early Q4 of 2025, likely aligning with Fujifilm's seasonal events.